Let's get to know our newest listing right here in Watertown. If you're looking for the perfect combination of urban and suburban life, you have found it here in Watertown.
I'm glad to see your shining face, and to be back in my own place.
Cozy up in your living room next to your fireplace. Enjoy and entertain in your large dining room and your eat-in kitchen. This is over 1,300 square feet. We look forward to welcome you here to our newest listing. Once quoted from longtime resident Mr. Donahue, owner of Bar and Grill for over 50 years, he says, "What took everyone so long to consider Watertown?" Enjoy coffee on your private porch or entertain in the back garden on your patio. Arsenal Yards is located 10 minutes from Harvard Square and 15 minutes from Copley Square in Boston. This is what it means when the best of modern life collides. In an urban and suburban mix here in Watertown, Arsenal Yards host restaurants, coffee shops, and shops.